In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove devices from Claude AI account. If you've ever signed in on a shared computer, changed phones, or just want a clean slate, signing out of all devices is a quick way to protect your account. I'll walk you through it from start to finish. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Claude AI. In the results, click the official site. You can double-check you're on the real page by looking for the correct domain in the address bar before you sign in. On the home page, choose how you want to log in. You can continue with Google or sign in with the email address you use for your Claude account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete authentication. If your browser asks to remember the session, choose what's right for you, especially if you're on a shared device. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. You should see your user profile, either as your initials or an avatar. Click that to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage your account preferences. Next, click the Account section. This is where you'll find options related to your profile, security, and sessions. Scroll until you see the Logout area. This section manages where your account is currently signed in. Click the button labeled Log Out of All Devices, or a similar option like Sign Out of All Sessions. When prompted, confirm that you want to proceed. This action ends your active sessions across phones, tablets, and computers, which is ideal if you've used a public or borrowed device. Depending on your setup, you may be signed out on your current browser too, so be prepared to sign back in on the device you trust. After this, any device that was previously connected will need to authenticate again before it can access your account. That means if someone else still has access to a computer you once used, they won't be able to open your account without signing in again. If you don't immediately see the option, check that you're on the Account tab inside Settings and give the page a quick refresh. Interface labels may vary slightly over time, but the location remains the same. Profile menu, Settings, Account, then the Logout section. And that's it. You've safely removed devices from your Claude AI account. Thanks for watching, and take a moment now to sign back in only on the devices you trust.